begin. In this, your first question is, what do you understand by entropy? Okay, entropy is very important topic and it's from unit 1. Okay, entropy is measure of unpredictability. Understanding entropy not only helps you understand data compression, but can also help you choose good password and avoid easily guessed password. Okay, so how to find entropy? This is the formula for finding entropy. This is H is equal to summation I is equal to 1 to n. ओके सो यहाँ पर जो हमें वैल्यूज लेनी है, समीशन का मीन्स होता है एडिशन करना. जितने भी आपको वैल्यू दी गई है मीन्स सब फॉर एग्जांपल p1 p2 p3 p4, वहां पर आपको एडिशन करना होता है. किस टाइप से? इस टाइप से pi log pi. व्हाट इज pi? pi स्टैंड्स फॉर प्रोबेबिलिटीज. ओके सो आप क्वेश्चन किस तरह सॉल्व करेंगे गाइस? आपको फॉर एग्जांपल आपको क्वेश्चन इस तरह दिया होगा, p1 p2 p3 एंड p4 की वैल्यूज गिवन होंगी, उसके बेसिस पर आपको ये फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करना है. तो आप कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे? p1 log base 2. ओके हियर बेस ऑफ log इज 2. ओके देन p1 pi दैट इज p1 की वैल्यू. इसी तरह से हम ऐड करते रहेंगे इसमें वैल्यू जितनी भी आपके क्वेश्चन के अकॉर्डिंग आपको मेंशन होगी. देन प्लस p2 log p2 प्लस p3 log p3 एंड सो ऑन. ओके सो इस तरह से आप इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. आई होप आपने किया होगा. जब आपने टॉपिक वाइज पढ़ाई की होगी तो आपने जरूर इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व किया होगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड इज, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय लॉसलेस कंप्रेशन? आंसर इज, lossless and lossy compression are terms that describe whether or not in the compression or a file all original data can be recovered when the file is uncompressed. With lossless compression, every single bit of data that was originally in the file remains after the file is uncompressed. Okay, all of the information is completely restored. This is generally the technique of choice for text or spreadsheets files, where losing words or financial data could pose a problem. The graphics interchange file, that is GIF, is an image format used on the web that provide lossless compression. Question C is, define data compression. In this, data compression or just compression is the process of encoding information using fewer bits. Data compression or just decompression is the process of restoring compressed back into a form in which it's again useful. Okay, so guys, आपसे एग्जाम में डेटा कंप्रेशन भी पूछा जा सकता है as well as डेटा decompression भी पूछा जा सकता है. Okay, next question D is, define compression ratio, and it's very important question already marked here. Data compression ratio is defined as the ratio between the uncompressed size and compressed size. Okay, next question, question E. Differentiate between fidelity and quality. Very important again. Differences between the reconstruction and the original are fidelity and quality. As well as when we say that the fidelity or quality of a reconstruction is high, we mean that the difference between the reconstruction and the original is small. Whether this difference is a mathematical difference or a perceptual difference should be evident from the context. Okay. Next question F. Discuss binary code. A binary code represents text, computer processor, instructions, or other data using any two-symbol system, but often the binary number systems 0 and 1. Okay, so your binary code is based on only 0 and 1. The binary code assigns a pattern of binary digits, that is bits, to each character, instructions, etc. Okay. Next question. Question G is, discuss Huffman code. Very important topic in your subject. Huffman coding is a lossless data compression algorithm. The idea is to assign variable length codes to input characters. Lengths of the assigned codes are based on the frequency of corresponding characters. The most frequent characters gets the smallest code in Huffman, and the least frequent character gets the largest code. Okay. Next question H is, define distortion. Again very important. Rate distortion theory is major branch of information theory which provides the theoretical foundation for lossy data compression. It addresses the problem of determining the minimal number of bits per symbol, as measured by the rate R, that should be communicated over a channel so that the source, that is input signal, can be approximately reconstructed at the receiver output signal without exceeding a given distortion D. Okay. Question I is, define the term PPM. This is very important also. Prediction by partial matching. Okay, PPM stands for prediction by partial matching. Is an adaptive statistical data compression technique based on context modeling and prediction. So guys, PPM is based on context modeling and prediction. Focus on it. PPM models use a set of previous symbols in the uncompressed symbol stream to predict the next symbol in the stream. Okay. Question J is, discuss Golem coding. Very important. In this, Golem coding is a lossless data compression method using a family of data compression codes invented by Solomon W. Golem in the 1960s. Alphabets following a geometrical distribution will have a Golem code as an optimal prefix code, making Golem coding highly suitable for situations in which the occurrence of small values in the input stream is significantly more likely than large values. Okay. Write some applications of Huffman coding. Answer is here. Some applications of Huffman coding. First one is lossless image compression. In this, a simple application of Huffman coding to image compression would be to generate a Huffman code for the set of values that any pixel may take. Monochrome image, the set usually consists of integers from 0 to 255. Okay, so what is the range of integers here? That is 0 to 255. Examples of such images are contained in the accompanying data sets. Next, text compression. Text compression seems natural for Huffman coding. In text, we have a discrete alphabet that in a given classes has relatively stationary probabilities. For example, the probability model for a particular novel will not differ significantly from the probability model for another novel. Similarly, the probability model for a set of photon program is not going to be much different than the probability model for a different set of photon programs. Okay. Next application is audio compression. In this, another class of data that is very suitable for compression is CD quality audio data. Okay, the audio signal for each stereo channel is sampled at 44.1 kHz and each sample is represented by 16 bits. This means that the amount of data stored on one CD is enormous. If we want to transmit this data, the amount of channel capacity required would be significant. Compression is definitely useful in this particular case. Okay guys, now let's wind up this lecture. See you in the next video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos. Wish you a very all the best for your examination. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.